Hi guys, so this is Anirudh. Uh, so today I will be speaking about team conflict management. So what basically team conflict management is? So the we can say in simple terms like the disagreement that happens between the team members regarding a particular topic or regarding having some conversation or something. So so basically next is so this the team conflict cannot be we cannot escape from this team conflict any it is going to happen anyhow in sometime in your life when you are working as a team in a software company or in a big organization. So it we can we cannot escape the occurrence of this conflict, but we can do many steps to avoid those conflict being being occurring. So the first, so what is this? When you manage a team of people, you can't always ensure that they all will get along. Yeah, this given competing interests, needs, and agendas, you might even have two people who only disagree. So, like we can't expect everyone to agree or everyone to move on with the discussion or the decision which is being made inside the team. Uh, for example, consider a team of four. Two members will be agreeing on one particular decision. Members will not be agreeing on the decision. So this is where the conflict occurs. So imagine if we are a boss and we manage those team of four people. So what will we do to overcome the conflict or to remove the conflict without any problem from the team and then focus on the work again? That's what we're going to see today. So as a working professional, we should when as a work we consider when we are in a position like an working professional, we should have we should have developed some of the skills like which includes this team conflict. So whenever a conflict happens or occurs in between the team, we should have we should have enough skills to completely remove that conflict, or we have to give some ideas and solutions to resolve that conflict between the team. And those who and the people or the working professional who fail to resolve this kind of conflicts, uh, what who fail this will result in the productivity loss, and the it will affect the productivity loss in the company's business. And it also affects the concept of working together and sharing others ideas. So no if the conflict is still going on, nobody will be collaborating or will be sharing their ideas with each another to for the improvement of the project or whatever the discussion that's being made. Generally, organizations expect the boss or the team leader to have a good ability of solving these types of conflicts without any disruption between the team members. Yeah, so as I said before, those who fail to do so will watch their team members. So obviously, those the people who are not that efficient enough to resolve this conflict uh, as a working professional, they will just simply they can just simply watch their team members leave their jobs from this organization and move on to another organization where they have a safer and friendly environment. There are these are some of the types of team conflicts that can occur. So task conflict, relationship conflict, process conflict, status conflict, organizational conflict. We can see it from here. So, and then this is about managing the team conflict sustainably. So team conflict is incredibly complex to tackle sustainably. It requires a truly holistic approach. Good and sustainable interventions rest on solid organizational and interpersonal foundations. So the, there are there are two common approaches in the area of conflict management. First is focusing on the issue, resolving it, and moving on. So first is what is the issue between the team members, how we can solve those team issue, and then after solving it, how we can make them to work again in a collaborative manner and move on to the next phase. Then next is focusing on the causes, examining the broader picture and looking ahead. So focusing on the causes. So what causes this type of issue or conflict in the first place? We have to identify, focusing on those area, and then we have to think of that in a broader picture. So what if this issue is left on, and then how much it will affect the organization in the future? So what can we do to affect this before itself? And then looking ahead. So looking ahead in the sense, looking for ways where we can completely stop this type of issue being occurring. Next, these are some of the steps which I mentioned. So speak to the members individually, like speaking to all the team members individually, and training them about the conflicts, and giving them counselings, like bring people together. Like once you have got a better understanding of the conflict, and what are all the other team members perspective on this conflict, we have to like act as a moderator here, although all the team members perspective, and provide some solution in order to avoid it. uh, Next, ask the wider team for ideas. It's like for in the case where we have a team of 10 to 15 members or 20 members, uh, we can ask everyone's perspective, and then taking things out, like we can gather different ideas from everyone. We can provide a way, provide a solution, that how all the 20 members can work in a collaborative manner without any conflict. This can also be a part of creating a psychological safe environment. Like if everybody agrees with one decision, then nothing is going to stop, or no other conflict is going to occur again. So then draw up a plan to get, to stop completely being the conflict being occurring again. And then follow up, ensure that the issues are being resolved properly. And then, for example, people may still feel aggrieved but not to win. Yeah. So even though we feel like we may have provided a resolution for that conflict, even if we assume that all the members agree, but if those members agree for a particular time, let's say after 3 days, they are okay, and they are okay. After 3 days, one or two members in the team may be feeling like little aggrieved, and they do not to want to drag things out in order to cause another issue. So we have to provide the counseling to each and every team member, and advise them how to move on with the other team members, how to behave, how to agree with the other team members, like that. So that's it. So thank you.